our 12-inch hand sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 12 inches in length, a depth of 16 inches, an overall height, we have 10 inches. 10 inches is from the bottom all the way to the top of the splash. Included will be the sink strainer for the drain, along with the faucet. Left and right mount for the faucet measuring 4 inches. And for the gooseneck spout, measuring 7 inches in height. Dimensions for the sink itself, we have 9 inches in length by 9 inches in depth. Last but not least, located on the top left corner will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.